1,000 pound. 1,000 pound.
What?
Diamond.
What's pound as in English money or?
English money. The jury asked for 1,000 pound. So our ringgit here is nearly, the time is 610.
Yeah.
6 ringgit 10 cent. 6,100. Oh, the boy is so happy.
I bet.
The boy is so happy.
I bet. I'm just checking I've got enough battery, and I have on my little video camera. Right, we're off to Gantin Island, and sorry, your name is?
Uncle Tan.
Uncle Tan is
Taxi driver.
taking us there. He's been taxi driving for 60 years. He knows everywhere.
Oh, 38 years.
Sorry. 38 years.
My age is 60.
Oh yeah, that's it. Right, and we're off on the highway to Gantin Island, then to the Twin Towers. So what I do is have these little video clips and I get them all together at the end.